today from Lastimosa and the addition of Renzo Subido and JJ Pido. Kung mapapansin nyo, listahan ito ng shooters. Si JJ naman, kailangan daw niya ang explosive performance. That's just one of the many things we have yet to see today, lalo na...
Vic Manuel on the post.
Manuel trying to test the defense of Pajarito.
So ito tanong ko sa'yo.
Not much Pajarito can do that.
Who has a better one-hander? Vic Manuel or Enzo Serrano?
Ba? Kay Vic Manuel muna ako. Here's Fontanilla, bagsak si Gortiza doon. Manuel asking for it this time against Vic Boy, and Vic Manuel ginawang asintahan. Ends up with Doka Curva. Subido. Big Boy inside the paint, and he put...
But he waited for the play to develop hanggat sa nagkaroon ng advantage sa ilalim si Big Boy height-wise. Pero eto, may advantage man o wala, Vic Manuel pinapakita ang kanyang touch from the outside.
Putting together 11 points already off the bench of the 24 of Pangasinan. Big Boy against Vic Manuel. Big Boy
putting on a show.
Did he just flip on the muscle man?
Yeah, Pangasinan has to go to Vic Manuel right now. There you go. Shoot it.
He just flexed on the muscle man. Our play of the game is brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. 1xBet, your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Big Boy Hernandez.
How about that move? Somewhere, Kevin McHale. Kevin McHale.
Alonte on the move. Is Ronnie Alonte. Challenges the defense of Vic Manuel. He gets it back and he puts it back in.
Could have been fouled too.
Ronnie Alonte.
Matching up against Vic.
Manuel, blocked by Canaleta. Ball deflected. Manuel drives. Blocked by Canaleta.
Good
Finds
pass.
Dusty Mosa. Sidestep three. Air ball. Rebound Vic Manuel. Play will continue.
But dapat reset yun kasi hindi tumama ng ring, I believe. That was good ball movement of the trigger action. You know, ni Canaleta was able to...
And starting him as well really helped him grow into the game immediately. And Vic Manuel knocks down the three.
It's a short look, right? Basketball.
This three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Vic Manuel, the muscle man.
Sinili pa yung linya. If you wanna